A lioness has hungry mouths to feed. Her growing cubs need fresh meat every 2 days. There's food everywhere, but most of her targets are faster than she is. Chase them around under the blazing sun, and she'll quickly overheat. She needs to get close enough for an ambush. Tricky, in broad daylight. And once her cover is blown, she's much less of a threat. As the sun sets, the odds shift in her favor. A herd of buffalo. 5 times her weight, these armored giants are a dangerous target. But if they haven't seen her, then she has the edge. She targets a calf. Weaker, less risky. In the twilight, she makes it look effortless. She has already cashed in on the advantage that dusk brings, and her cubs will feast tonight.